Okay, today I have an Apple PC. Well, Apple PC, an Apple computer. I am not going to test this because I would never use it in a million years. I am not an Apple guy. Let's see. Oh, they got a cute design on how to take these apart. Just kind of folds out here. One peripheral card here. Look, peripheral, we got gold pens, of course. We got some chips on here. These are legged. This is a video card. Crystal, some flat packs and chips. We got a processor here up under this heat sink. See if we can't pop that guy off real quick. And we got a gold corner BGA. In terms of memory, looks oddly enough similar to PC memory. 64 megabytes, 256 megabytes, and 120 megabytes. And I have no idea if this is a paired one or what. So, still gold fingers and memory chips that we'll be able to get some gold out of. 3 of them are single-sided, 1 of them is double-sided in terms of the chips. Okay. See any additional screws. This appears to be the Wi-Fi card, possibly. I'm not sure what it is. We'll have some gold pins in here. We got some flat packs and chips on here. Capacitor, another flat pack here on the back. Crystal. Okay, let's take a look at this end. There is one screw back here. That freed up the board. Still not really loose. Let's see. There's guy's potentially holding it. I think so. Hold all the pieces I can find here. You two screws got anything to do with it? Doesn't appear to be. About at the point where I'll decide to break something. That one's off. Hell with it. Damn, she's strong, whatever she is. There's one additional screw apparently. Yep, under here. Let's see here. How do we get you off? Take those two off. We get the heat sink off. Nice heat sink. And here we have the processor. So flat pack, gold pins in there, flat pack, a couple more chips, and some kind of a processor. This looks kind of similar to the slotted processor from the Pentium 3 the other day. Okay, primary motherboard, gold pins, gold pins, gold pins, gold pins, gold pins, gold pins, gold pins along these pieces on the back. And this guy, we've got a crystal there, we've got a crystal oscillator here with gold around it, crystal there, tantalum capacitors, a few more chips and flat packs, 2 gold corner BGAs, and this processor. Some more chips and tantalum capacitors. Those look like beefy MLCCs there. Go ahead and remove these standoffs. These and see if they're brass. Probably not, but we'll take a look at them. So that's the motherboard. This guy, gold pins in here. This is the most likely LAN card. Not LAN. Modem. Maybe not a modem card, but a modem attachment or modem port. The rest of this is steel. This has gold plating on it. This looks like the Wi-Fi cord. That looks like it's all rivets. Not seeing how to get to just some adhesive on the back of this ribbon cable. There we go. Okay, now we can look at this side. Where we've got the fan, the power supply, and the drives. The question is, how do we get into all this? That's steel. That's a fan. Straight into the fan bucket. I'm thinking this is probably held on the back. Yeah, we've got a few one size smaller than that. 15, Can I get it out of there? No, Apple, that's another reason I won't like you. You make things difficult. When they don't need to be difficult. speaker that was easy to get to. Straight into the steel bowl. DVD-ROM drive and an empty bay there. Take that apart, get the steel off of it. Now, HP and these other guys went through a lot of trouble to make these things, make the computers very user-friendly to work on. And Apple has to go in and put glue on everything and make it harder. For no reason. There's our power supply, which is a 237 watt max. I mean, seriously, they had to go and put Why? I don't see any more screws. It's just those two little things there catching it. Not moving. I'm sure there's an easier way of taking this apart, but I don't see it. Therefore, we're doing it my way. Looks like it, there may be a couple more screws in the bottom to get that plate off. Or to get that ribbon. Let's take a look at the bottom of the unit, see if we can figure out how to get that off. Yeah, got a few screws down here. Ooh. Yeah, those are screws. But that doesn't help me get the drive off. There's one right there. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, there's our drive, which is a standard IDE drive. I have no idea if I'll be able to read this with a PC or not. We might try. But standard IDE drive that will get broken down. Okay, now I'm trying to figure out if I can figure out where that's going. Or should I just pull it? Okay, and then we just got this guy. Well, yeah, the rest of that is steel. Okay. Let's go ahead and take you apart. So we got a couple tactile switches and a LED and some gold pins there. It looks like maybe an LED or some kind of a little light there. Motherboard that we already discussed. Gold pins, gold pins, gold pins, gold pins. A few chips and processors. Got some crystals and crystal oscillators on here as well. Crystal, 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 crystal oscillator. A few tantalum capacitors as well. Backside's got our cold corner BGAs and this processor here. Not sure what's the deal on that. This feels like a piece of plastic. You're not wanting to come off. Get you off with the air hammer. A few more chips. Looks like large MLCCs. Some more tantalums. We got this board, which I believe is the Wi-Fi board. Might not be. I don't see a place for the antenna to hook up to. But got flat packs, a couple more chips, a little bit of gold pins in it. Processor board, processor. Have no idea if this will have any gold in it or not. Flat pack, chip, gold pins here, flat pack, a few more little chips there, some more MLCCs. This is the video card, gold pins, gold BGA, gold corner BGA, some chips that'll have some gold in them. Have gold in these connectors. We have the crystal here for some silver, and that's about it. Gold pins in here. Let's see what you're covering up. Not a whole heck of a lot, just a few MLCCs, looks like. These cables will have gold pins in, well, these cables will have gold pins in them. This one I'm not sure about, might be brass, might be gold, not 100% sure. Then we got a nice piece of aluminum here. Let's see. Those don't appear to be, they're not reacting to my magnets. That's a nice piece of cast aluminum. I think I'll hold on to this piece for Star Wars Gribbly. Then we got the drive here. Like I said, it's an old IDE drive. Capacity for 10.2 gigabyte. So definitely an older one. This is the drive here was made in June of 2000, so that definitely gives you an idea of how old that computer is. And then we got the optical drive here, which we're going to take this cover off. Like so. I'm going to set that over to the side. IDE connectors on that as well. And I can just go and still work. Okay. I think that is it. Let me take the steel off this. some steel. Now that drive can go to processing. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.